The new Cool Wallet is here, and I'm going to unbox it for you right now. If you need a Cold Wallet storage to put your crypto on, guys, this is the one for you. I'm going to unbox it, but first, before I do, I just want to show you the website, give you a bit of an introduction to them, and also let you know I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's get straight into it. So guys, over at CoolWallet.io is where you can get this. The link is going to be down below, okay? It's the Web3 universe with the coolest hardware wallet out there, and you can see it right here on my screen. I'm about to unravel this for you. It's your own key, your own crypto. You self-custody your crypto with your NFTs and the best crypto wallet for both beginners and experts. The new app now offers cold and hot storage. So what do you say we open this up, guys? I'm super excited because I've been using cold wallets for a long time, and they have been developing at a stage where when they first came out, they developed really fast. And then recently, there hasn't actually been much innovative introduction into this until I found this. And that's why I bought it, and that's why I want to review it. So guys, here it is. I'm going to unbox it for you right now. So the packaging is super easy, all right? Just peel this straight off. I love how simple they have made it, okay? Okay, so just peel this label off and then pull it out. So here is what it looks like straight away. You got a get started manual, and then the cold wallet is actually inside. So let's have a look. Here it is, guys. Look how nice and smooth that looks. Doesn't look like this could actually do the job, right? It's very small, it's very light, but this is the one. You got your cable here, and we have our card. Guys, this is all the parts that come with it. The instructions, the card, and the cable. Very sleek. Okay, now let's go through the get started manual together. Okay, so if you've got iOS, simply scan this. If you've got Android, scan that QR code right there, and it actually shows you how the card should be slotted in. Guys, we're going to go through the setup right now. So I'm going to scan this QR code with my iPhone and see what comes up. You can see it loading up on my phone right now, the Cool Wallet app. Simply download that, and we open it up. So guys, the first things that come up on the screen, it asks, have you already got a Cool Wallet card? This is your Cool Wallet card, so we do have that. I'm going to click yes, set it up. Okay, guys, so on the card, you can see this little indent here. Okay, this circle, that's actually a physical button. It does tell you this in the instructions. You can see here. Okay, so on the app, it's telling me to hold that button in. You do hear a click, and guys, look at this. It starts to actually read out what you need to do. So it's asking you to pair. So you can see now on the card and on the phone, saying please pair. And on my phone, I'm going to hit the button pair. Now it's come up with my code that I need to type in, and I'm going to type it in on my phone. Guys, I will say this is very simple. I'm very surprised at this. I love this card and how it can actually read out the instructions to you, okay? It's just asked me to update my card, which is fine. It takes 2 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to update it right now. I need to put my card on charge to update. Okay, so here's the charging dock. I'm going to slide my card in, and I'm going to plug this in to charge it. Okay, guys, so now it's paired. The app is asking me to create a new wallet or recover. Okay, so I'm going to click create a new wallet and go through the steps on here. Next step, it's going to ask me how to generate my recovery phrase, if I want to do it by card or by the app. Okay, I'm going to choose by the app, but you can do it on the card and you can show it through here. Okay, I'm going to choose by the card because I've got my card with me right now. So it's really easy, guys. As the recovery phrase comes up, it shows on there, and I'm going to write it down on here, but I'm going to pause this so you obviously cannot see that. And just to show you the last one in real time, guys, okay, it's super easy. You just simply click this button and it goes on to the next seed phrase. All right, super easy. So now, guys, I have to add up every single number that I've typed in, and the final sum will allow me to unlock the card. Okay, and now the sum was correct. I'm actually in, and you can see on the app right now, you can add all the coins that you want to put in there. So obviously whatever you're holding, and your card is working. The one thing I will say about this, the battery life is running out pretty quick. So keep this on charge as you're doing things. So for this example, let's just add BNB and see how it looks right now. Okay, so we are in the app. Guys, that's how easy it is to set up, all right? Super easy. I'm very impressed with how easy it was. Again, all you gotta know is that this button is a physical button, okay? Simply click that, and that's how you access it if you want to skip your phase, if you want to move the menu, okay? It's a really cool concept. You can keep this card in your wallet, keep it anywhere you want. I love this. Once it's set up, real easy. You have the app and you can do everything through that. So once you're inside the wallet, at the top you've got cold wallet and hot wallet up there, okay? Super easy. And you you've already seen me set the card up. So at the bottom, you got wallet, and then you've got your marketplace. So this is where you can actually go and have a look at the popular blockchain services that are fully integrated with this app. You've got the MetaMask, Rabby, BTC, Direct, CryptoSwap, Crypto Purchase, Stake, and Wallet Connect, Lido, and Staking. Your browser is really, really easy to use. All right, you can simply just search a keyword or enter the URL inside of here. So if you're going to do Stargate, then go straight to Stargate. It's actually very fast. All right, I'm really, really impressed with this. Again, on the browser, you don't have to search the URL. You can just click on the app. If you go to history, it shows you exactly what you have searched. And of course, in the settings, this is where you can actually go through how to make this comfortable for your usability. Now, there is an affiliate program. That link's going to be down below underneath this video. So please use that. If you want to do any settings with the card, okay, showing the password, receiving the address, anything like that, there you go. You have your card serial number, the app version, and again, just contact them if you need any help. If this video hasn't given you enough, please just contact them. Your hot wallet is where your crypto is going to be there with your NFTs as well. You can manage that, and I'm going to activate it very soon. Guys, if you want to purchase, send, receive, or swap, that's simply how you do it. But I'm very excited, guys, and I'm going to give you a bit of a summary right now. All in all, I'm absolutely in love with this, okay? It's going to go in my wallet. I think it's the easiest setup I've had to do, okay? I love the fact that this card has the button built in. It's not even got an indent, okay? You simply just click it. Very easy. I love it. Guys, I think you're going to enjoy this. Please let me know if you set it up well. The link's going to be down below to purchase this. Big thumbs up from me. Guys, if you want more videos like this, more unboxing, let me know. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'll see you next time.